I was not able to cover the whole thing last time.
Then you'll find this one.
It's another way of showing the
Unbelievable. इतना छोटा scene, such a creepy.
Hello people, welcome to Big Blocks. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you are liking it. I was not able to cover the whole thing last time, so I thought I'll make another video where I went just after Stratford. So bane rahiye, jude rahiye, and if you are liking our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.
Like I said, once you come out of Stratford Mall towards Stratford International Station, if you walk straight, then you'll find this one. मैं ऐसे ही चलते आ रहा था and I saw these amazing artwork on the wall. तो मुझे लगा कि चलो देखते हैं आगे क्या है. कुछ ऐसे भी हैं जो समझ भी नहीं आ रहा यार क्या बने हुए हैं, बट इट लुक्स रियली नाइस, फैंसी. खाली दीवार से तो अच्छा यही है, मैं ये बोलता हूँ. बट इट्स नॉट लाइक एनीवन कैन कम एंड डू दिस थिंग्स. वो लोग एक्चुअली प्रॉपर आर्टिस्ट होते हैं जिनके पास लाइसेंस होता है ये सब करने के लिए. सो yeah, it's another way of showing their talent. It's an art, could be in any form. यहाँ पे ना एक अजीब सा चीज़ है जो मैं आपको जाके आगे दिखाऊंगा कि लोग कितने इनोवेटिव हो सकते हैं. मतलब it's another level of innovation, thinking, I mean, even if there is nothing, you can get good out of it. That is what it's called as innovation in my term. So let's see. Like this one, I mean, look at the finishing, man. I mean, it's unbelievable. इतना छोटा सा जगह पे how can someone can make this level of art? It's a 3D print. Look at the color. इतना अच्छा, how is it possible? I mean, I have never seen such things ever. This one as well, unbelievable. And ये मेरा सबसे फेवरेट था, ये जो उल्फ बना हुआ है यहाँ पे. Look at that. This is Ulf. So like I said, this is where I went that day. It's called the LightHouse Community Garden. ये normally सुबह 9 बजे से लेके शाम को 7 बजे तक खुला रहता है, and you get here from Wednesday to Sunday. So Monday and Tuesday will be closed. So once you enter, you will see this old ship. It's an wooden ship proper, and I mean, once you enter, you feel like okay, it's a very secluded area. Could be creepy, but it is not. चीज़ें सारे बहुत पुराने यहाँ पे है, लेकिन you will find something good out of it. I mean, as it says, it's a community garden. So बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपना जो ज़मीन है उसको कुछ अच्छे काम के लिए लगाए हुए हैं, और ये सारे जितने भी आपको दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, it's like made by them. So लोग नॉर्मली एक छुट्टी दिन पे यहाँ पे आते हैं और ये सारी चीज़ यहाँ पे बनाते हैं. वैसे ही थोड़ा और एक्सप्लोर करने के बाद मुझे आगे ये सारे गार्डनिंग पॉट मुझे देखने को मिला, जो कि बेड बोलते हैं, जो कि फार्मिंग बेड बोलते हैं. तो ये एक्चुअली आप यहाँ पे रेंट और मे बी यू कैन बाय. आप इसके लिए रजिस्टर करना होगा, बट यू हैव टू बी लोकल हेयर, देन ओनली यू विल गेट प्रायोरिटाइज. तो यस, तो आपको दिख रहा होगा यहाँ पे बहुत सारे चीज़ें हैं जो अपने अपने हिसाब से जो जिसका जो बेड है, तो उन्होंने फार्मिंग काइंड ऑफ थिंग की है. बहुत सारे टोमेटोज़ मुझे दिखे. ये प्रॉपर एक कैबेज दिख रहा है मुझे यहाँ पे. So yes, I mean it's kind of a time out if you want to explore farming, and if it is not available within your premises, so you come here, buy a garden bed, and then you can do your farming. एक और चीज़ मुझे वहाँ पे मिला जो कि डस्ट टू डस्ट लिखा हुआ था. आई थिंक इट्स अपना जो ब्रिक्स रहते हैं, आई मीन ब्रिक्स बिफोर फायर. Okay guys, so this is one of the different thing I've ever seen. So it's a garden from a farming plot, I would say, because it's not a plot, it's an effort by so many people, so many good people who have donated something and they made this place out of it. So yeah, it's really nice. So this was another thing I got hypnotized with. I have never seen such a creepy library. Yeah, but you could see there are lots of books over there, and these are all donated by the people. So like ऐसा ही कुछ था. So इसी के साथ I took an exit. I will share some more information about this garden. It is actually Lighthouse community and managed by Sue and Gabby. I put down a link on top of it. So it was a nice experience. I was not expecting this one on my way. So yes, अगर आपको टाइम मिले कभी भी आप आओ. Wednesday to Sunday 9 to 7 p.m. This is it guys, thank you again for watching and supporting. I will come again with the next vlog with some exciting stuff. Till then, goodbye, take care.